they want to see.
ไม่เอาแล้ว
Let's try the fresh one.
เสียมขม โอเค I will try.
Anh ăn khèng lao po. Mangunguhan po tayo ng papaya ng kapitbahay. Yung po yung sa amin. Anh ăn khèng lao. On. Matigas po ito. Kukuha tayo ng bago. Hurry daddy, the owner is here. Pero nag-message na po kami at wala nga po sila kaya kuha na lang daw kami. Pakulaan lang natin at yung iba kakainin natin ng hilaw. Ayan, luto na mga kaumami. So ayan, haluin na po natin ang ating papaya salad with crabs, corn, hilaw na sitaw, hilaw na hipon. Ayan po ang ating chef for today.
Time เลย
Ayun nga, dinekwat natin sa kapitbahay. First time po natin matitikman. Some Thai people eat this raw, yung mga talbos na malambot pa. At yung mga medyo talbos pa rin na hindi pinakatalbos ay kakainin natin na blanch or nalaga. Let's try the cooked one without sauce.
จะกินได้ไหม
So mapait. Mapait.
ไปอีกวิ
If eat with salad is good.
จริงเหรอ ต้อง
Pag with salad, masarap.
โอเค I will try.
Ang pait ka, mami.
ให้ขมมาก ขม
Bagoong.
ชิมกับสลัดสิ
Ang pait. Let's try the fresh one.
ยิบมาไปอีกกินกุ้ง เพราะว่ากุ้งหวาน
Hipon. Try. Matamis yung hipon, mawawala yung pait niya. Let's try the raw one. Here.
นี่เหรอ
Tat.
เอาไปทายเฟรชก่อน
No. How's it?
ขมเหมือนกัน
Wala, mas
เสียม
mapait.
เสียมขม โอเค I will try. เป็นไง
But if we eat salad, it's okay. Pait pa sa ampalaya.
แต่อร่อยนะ
So ito po ay gamot. This is a herbal medicine. Kaya kinakain. Ayan ka, umami. We check our camera. Naputol po pala yung video namin. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang saan naputol. So ulitin na lang namin yung aming mga sinabi tungkol sa papaya. It's not recommended. Hindi masarap dahil napakapait. Ayan. Ang sarap pa naman ang kain namin sa mga crabs at sa mga hipon. Napakapait po niya. Ayan. Let's try again. Maybe hindi nila nakita yung ating reaction kanina.
เอาแบบเรียวเรียกชั่นเลยใช่ไหม
Ang pait po niya. Times 3 ng ampalaya. Nakakainis naman. Kanina pa kami kain ng kain. Nagtitiis kami sa sobrang pait. Wala pa lang camera.
no more shrimp ว่ะ
Naubos namin yung mga hipon.
ซุปเปอร์มาปะอิด
Sayang yung mga pawis ko. Hilaw na sitaw. Fermented crab. So yun nga po, kinakain nila dahil meron itong mga nakakagamot daw. Kaya kinakain ng mga tao, ng mga matatanda dito. Kaya sinubukan din namin at it's not masarap. It's not recommended. Huwag niyo pong subukan kung hindi kayo mahilig sa mapait, no?
ใช่ มาปะอิดมาก ซุปเปอร์
Ayan.
ซุปเปอร์
Pero kung gusto nyong itry, yes, safe pong kainin ang dahon ng ampalaya.
กินปูดีกว่า
Sarap pa naman ang kain namin ng mga hipon. Tulos hipon. We also show them. Baka hindi rin nakita kaninang tinikman namin yung buhay, yung fresh.
we can finish two
Yeah, tag-isa lang kami. Oh, let's try again. Maybe they want to see.
ไม่เอาแล้ว
Again, it's just a little. Ayaw na daw niya. Just a little. Let's just show them now we can eat the fresh, but not masarap.
มันมาสลับจริงๆ อ อร่อยไหม
Yung ayaw mo nang nguyain sa pait.
อันนี้เยอะๆดีกว่า
Pait.
อืม
Imbis na para sa masarap, para sa mapait. Pait.
Which one more eat than อันนี้อันนี้
Same. Same po yung level
อั
ng
นนี้
pait.
more
This one is mas mapait. Mas mapait daw to. Ayan. Pero yung papaya salad, ang sarap. Super sarap ng papaya salad. Hindi masyadong maanghang ngayon. Ayan, let's bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Kakainis naman yung aming camera. Yun lang mga kaumami. Pwede nyo subukan pero hindi nyo magugustuhan, I'm sure. At pakishare ang video kung nagustuhan.